This video covers importing equipment within Aveva E3d 2.1. In the Import group of the Tools tab, click the MEI button. This displays the MEI import form with Zone Equipment Area 01 as the CE. Click the CE button. In the Import Files section of the form, click the Browse button. Browse for the file tm-1811_pump-aa5a.stp. The typical location is shown. Click the Import button to create the pump. The pump is displayed in the 3D view. The orientation needs modifying. With the pump as the CE, open the Attributes form. Modify the orientation WRT owner text box to Y is U and Z is E, then press the return key. The orientation is now correct. Close the Attributes form. Open the Modify tab of the MEI import form. Click the Create Nozzle at Select Element link label. Create the nozzle using the details provided. Click the Position Nozzle link label and select two opposing points on the nozzle circumference. Click the Flip Direction link label to position the nozzle correctly. Click Create Nozzle to build the nozzle.